Hey, it's Leigh Marcus with Ad Properties, and today I'm going to be talking with attorney Robert Kahn about the top 3 things every landlord should know. So again, I'm speaking with Robert Kahn, attorney here in Chicago. Robert's been practicing for over 20 years representing landlords. And Robert, what's the top 3 things every landlord should know?
Well, Leigh, I think the most important thing is, as a landlord in Chicago, you should probably not take a security deposit. Because the RLTO, which is the Chicago Residential Landlord Tenant Ordinance, has a lot of penalties if you mess up the security deposit. Therefore, do not take a deposit or a pet deposit. You could take a non-refundable move-in fee. Just make sure that the tenant knows and the lease adequately states that it's non-refundable.
Non-refundable, okay.
Number 2 is know your rights. The RLTO is easy to read and it's accessible on the website of the city. And under the RLTO, you could find out your rights as far as how much notice you have to give before entering a unit. You know, under the RLTO, a tenant cannot automatically deduct monies from their rent without giving you notice. So the RLTO tells you exactly what your rights are if a tenant doesn't pay you rent or if they want to deduct money.
And we're gonna put a link to the RLTO in this email too.
The final thing, Leigh, is that you should know your rights and make sure that you don't sleep on those rights. An eviction in Chicago can easily take 4 or 5 months.
Wow.
So it's important to know and speak to your tenants to make sure if they can pay the rent. And if they can't pay the rent, you should file an eviction or talk to them about moving out before you have to go to court, because the whole process could be expensive. Once you go to court, you've already lost because you're going to have to pay an attorney to defend it or to evict them, and that can take time and money.
Perfect. So thank you so much again, Rob. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to help.
Have a good day.